Alrighty, speed. Here's your 427 small block Ford. Gives description of this combination. Got the blacked out valve covers. Obviously it's Borla, all blacked out. Full motor we got blacked out for you, except for the heads. Got your front end on it you wanted. Local oil pan. Custom garden hydraulic roller. We're going to make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie-doke, 3,600, 453 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 533, peak horsepower 586. Everything's good. We'll pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple things in the seat range. You'll find the single credit card, USB card full of technical information. In the crate will be this engine spec sheet. Highly recommend reading it. Have a great day.